Albert Leons Green was born in Arkansas in 1946. He dropped the fine Lee, canned his way to Memphis, and became simply Al Green. At High Records, producer Willie Mitchell wrapped Green's silky falsetto in the laid-back groove of the high rhythm section. From 1971 to 1974, Al Green was arguably the biggest soul singer in America, 8 gold singles in just 4 years. Tired of Being Alone sold 1 million copies. Let's Stay Together hit #1 and became his signature song. Love and Happiness, Take Me to the River, Here I Am, a catalogue as deep as soul music gets. In 1974, a traumatic event turned Al toward the church. He was ordained, conducted a Memphis tabernacle where he still preaches, and spent the 1980s winning Grammys in gospel. His songs became raw material for everyone. Talking Heads turned Take Me to the River into a top 30 pop hit. UB40 took Here I Am even higher than Al's original. And Tina Turner's Let's Stay Together launched her legendary comeback. But Al was a great interpreter, too. His slow-burning take on the Bee Gees' How Can You Mend a Broken Heart is the version many fans call definitive. And in 1988 he returned to pop alongside Annie Lennox on Put a Little Love in Your Heart for the film Scrooged, a top 10 hit. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Kennedy Center honors. Multiple Grammys. The smooth soul of Al Green found the common ground between the carnal and the spiritual, and never let go. Want to hear it all? On YouTube, search Al Green, Greatest Hits and Top Songs, on his official channel.